Hi there. For part 3 of the program handbook walkthrough, we're talking about a couple of very important parts. One about the civil rights or non-discrimination statement. Mercy College of Ohio is committed to a policy of non-discrimination based on the basis of race, color, national or ethnic origin, sex, sexual orientation, disability, age, marital status, religion, pregnancy, genetic information, and any other legally protected class in regards to admissions and educational programs, services, and activities in accord with applicable federal and state law. For more information about Mercy College of Ohio policies, compliance, and consumer information, please visit us at mercycollege.edu/compliance. For any inquiries or complaints of discrimination, those may be addressed to the Director of Compliance and Risk Management at 419-251-1710 or by writing to the Director of Compliance and Risk Management at 2221 Madison Avenue, Toledo, Ohio 43604. The last thing on here is the Title IX statement. In accordance with the Education Amendments of 1972, 34 Code of Federal Regulations, Part 106, Mercy College of Ohio is a designated Title IX coordinator and a deputy Title IX coordinator in the Youngstown location to ensure compliance regarding sex or gender discrimination of any type. You can certainly direct your questions or concerns to Leslie Irwin, the Title IX coordinator, or to Betsy Cardwell, who is the deputy Title IX coordinator. And their contact information is listed here.